Good morning, good morning. I'm gonna be giving you guys a quick little tour of everything that we've done so far with the electrical. So as you can see, we have outlets throughout the soffit exterior and also sections where we're gonna be putting hi-hats. Also sensors, that way any kind of movement, the lights turn on. As you can see, we have hi-hats pretty much all throughout the soffit as well. In the garage section, we have over 26 hi-hats. Also put electrical outlets all above. That way we can connect as we wish. This is where we have the outside control panel, emergency shut off. In the exterior back section, more hi-hats. Last time I was here, I showed you guys some of the plumbing. All the plumbing has been completed. All the interior plumbing has been completed. We did do the plumbing ourselves. We did not subcontract this portion because this home is about 5,000 square feet. And we do plumbing ourselves. It's not like we save so much more money in labor, because at the same time we spend a lot of our own hours doing all this kind of work. The next step is the AC installation. As you can see, everything has been foamed, everything is secured, weatherproofed. Electrical outlet for the outside, light fixture for the outside, plumbing as well, so we can have some kind of hot water. Electrical is technically about 95% completed. We're just doing the final touches today. A lot of outlets. You can never have too many outlets, honestly. As long as you have the ability to run the lines and have the correct panel, might as well, right? Everything's gonna have different zones of lighting as well. 4-inch hi-hats all over the place. Plumbing is perfect. Showed you guys this last time, just another quick little peek. These lines are mainly for television Ethernet connections. We're going to be running approximately another 10 to 15 lines that are going to be dedicated just for cameras. So you can see the plumbing. I mean, everything is just immaculate. Looks beautiful, very clean work. Empecé un de esos de YouTube y a cada rato pongo un video.
Sí.
So this is one of the bedrooms. This is a walk-in closet. This is a bathroom. All the plumbing already has been completed here. It's gonna have a nice little sink area. Nothing too crazy. Smaller bedroom. Just another bedroom with bathroom side by side. All the plumbing has been completed. Electrical is fully completed on this section. This is a small little bathroom we did for the outside. Eventually, the goal, plumbing's pretty much done here. A few things, but nothing too much. Toilet's gonna go over here. The whole reason behind this bathroom is so we can do some type of pool later on in the future. We definitely have some space where we can fit maybe a 20 by 20 or a 15 by 20. We'll figure it out. We have all the space here where we can do a nice pool section. From the fence all the way to the bathroom, for example, we have about 25 feet, and if we measure to, let's say, the wall over there, we have about 35 feet. So we just got to knock this down and we have a lot more space for a pool. As you can see, we also put plumbing lines over in the outside. That way we can do a shower, outdoor shower, something different. Whenever you're building a 2-story, it's pretty important to do all these things, just because later on you don't want to be back and forth. These are dedicated stairs just for the back portion of the home. That way there's a entry and exit other than the inside stairs. Second floor electrical completed as well. We have hi-hats here, same size, 4-inch. As you can see, Cat 6 has been ran right to where the TV is going to go. Electrical outlets all over the place. You can never have enough outlets. Hi-hats, fan connection, electrical panel running from the bottom. In this section here, we also put some hi-hats. The whole goal is to be able to sit up here, drink some coffee, and enjoy the view from the second floor. Pretty tall. This ends up being probably the tallest structure in a good amount of, probably in a quarter mile. And one of the next things that we have to start working on is these stairs. So we're going to be crafting stairs, all custom built, all the way to the bottom. It's probably one of the little harder things that we have to do, but it's part of the job. As you guys can see, we're building this property pretty quickly. Of course, capital is available, but we do work with homeowners that may be looking for financing as well.